time I come in the kitchen, you in the kitchen, in the goddamn refrigerator, eating up all the food, all the chicken, all the pig feet, all the collard green, all the hog maws. I want to eat some of them chitlins. I love pig feet.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be doing the 10 tacos in 10 minutes. I have my son Calvin, me, and my husband. So y'all, we have to eat 10 tacos in 10 minutes. So we're going to see who's going to be the one to complete the challenge first. So, are you ready? You ready? You ready?
Ready.
You ready?
I'm finna be him.
Are you ready? Say yeah, I'm ready.
Yes, I'm ready.
All right, let's go. Me too. Please wait. Both y'all beat me? No. Go sit down. Go sit down. Go sit down and stop motherfucking playing with me.
No, I'm almost done.
That's fair. You got 8 minutes. You can't eat with 2 men.
Uh-oh.
Still none. It don't matter who gets on first. As long as each person can eat the tacos in 10 minutes. So we have 7 minutes left.
Well, he only got one of his tacos.
You're on the other side of the table.
Seagrams. Y'all already know.
You see it.
I ain't cheap.
You didn't have nothing even in your tacos.
I did it.
No, you didn't. My
Oh,
tacos
wow.
are full to the top.
A lot.
Stop playing with me.
A lot.
See it.
Cause I bet you won't get no Robux for Christmas. You fall behind her if you want to. You fall behind her if you want to. You're gonna be just like her ass.
Yes, I did.
No, he didn't.
I had a lot.
No, he didn't. Look at his plate, guys. He had nothing but meat in it. A little bit of meat.
Comment down below who played look better.
You're supposed to have a fully.
Yeah, I'm trying to concentrate. I got 5 minutes.
You late.
But 3 tacos. This shit hard.
Yeah, when you fill it up.
Come on, y'all.
He didn't fill it.
Help me up, y'all.
I can help you if you hand me one.
Encourage me to finish.
I'll encourage you if you hand me one.
Mm-mm.
I can help you there. Now you're on your own.
How many minutes I got? I got 5 minutes.
Stop trying to look cute and get your face in those tacos.
I got 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Stop playing with me, Savannah. You gonna find your ass on the shit list.
That's Kool-Aid you drink.
You go motherfucking Christmas song.
Kool-Aid? I know it is. It's Kool-Aid.
And just so y'all don't be nosy, I'm drinking, he drinking a hard mic, I'm drinking cigarette, he drinking Kool-Aid. So mind your business. It's Taco Tuesday.
How many more you got? What? Good, keep
You
going.
did it? I got 4 minutes. With 2 tacos left. Savannah, you gonna find your ass not getting shit for Christmas. You gonna find your ass not getting shit for Christmas. Keep on.
I didn't do nothing.
Keep on.
You started talking, you gotta eat.
Yeah.
I'm trying to.
Don't worry about the phone.
Get out some out.
I got 3 minutes. 2 tacos.
So greedy. Come on. You got
Help me up, y'all. Help me up.
Let's go.
I'm talking, you up out there.
Exactly. Focus on the food. Not a banner. How many more minutes you got?
2.
She got 2 minutes. She got 2 tacos.
You got 1 taco
Oh,
left.
1 taco.
The hell?
I don't think she's gonna finish the last one, y'all. She didn't even swallow the stuff in her mouth yet. But come on.
This is hard. I'm getting full.
You gotta swallow it too. You can't have it in your mouth. You gotta swallow it. Eat. You got 50 seconds. You gotta swallow it so you can have it in your mouth. Or you lost the challenge. Not for your channel. You gotta swallow it. You gotta swallow it.
Yeah, man, guys. Now to get that out your mouth.
Girl, you better get your ass up by that camera. Oh my God.
My burritos was full. It took me literally
I got 1 more, y'all.
5 minutes to fill
He
my burritos
wasn't
up.
full.
They was already at the table while I was in the
little bit of
kitchen
taco
still.
meat,
I got 1 minute.
and that was it.
They was already they was already set up at the table. I was still finishing my
No,
burrito.
I am
My taco. That's how you know I was trying to fill mine
I
up.
had meat half full. I had lettuce, cheese, tomato, and with the sauce. That is and sour cream. That is a full burrito. 10 of them.
Taco, not burrito.
I think I said taco.
This that burrito.
Well, taco. Same goddamn thing. All that come from Mexico. All you need is a
Quiet.
bean burrito.
Next time we do a burrito.
You heard me? Get your bean burrito. And I'm not your belly grande.
Oh my God, y'all, it's too much food.
We You done.
No. Let's get
I'm sweating like a motherfucker.
See my plate.
So, I'm done.
We all accomplished.
I'm done.
But he cheated. He
I
did
ain't
not
cheated.
have that
I'm
on
done.
his
I was the first winner, so it don't
plate.
matter.
Y'all.
Y'all can't compete with me.
On his plate.
We can do 10 Cuban
No.
sandwiches and I'll
He
win.
did not have
Y'all.
that on his plate.
I can eat a lot, but I'm skinny. So
Thank y'all for coming back to the channel and watching us do the 10
And tall.
tacos
And
in
tall.
10 minute
I'm
challenge.
6 feet tall.
Y'all, we will see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. Bing.
Gang.